In this video, we're going to be providing a full tutorial on how to set up schedules on ChatGPT. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. To create a schedule, we simply need to ask ChatGPT on the main prompt box. For example, if I type, "Remind me about my mum's birthday on the 19th of August, then press enter. It has now created a schedule which will send me a notification every year on the 19th of August. To manage schedules, we can go to our profile in the bottom left, then select Settings, then go to Schedule. From here, if we hover over any of the schedules that we have and click the pencil icon, we can edit the properties of the schedules. If we click the three dots on each schedule, we can pause it or delete it. We can create schedules for more interesting things. For example, I'm going to type, "Give me a briefing on the latest AI news every day at 4 PM. ChatGPT will now send me a notification every day at 4 PM providing me with the latest AI news. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.